Have you ever wondered what will happen if you put some washing up liquid, vinegar, some warm water, some baking soda, and some food coloring? Well, today you'll find out at Ririn's Wonder Lab. Let's try. So you need 40 milliliters of washing up liquid, 40 milliliters of vinegar, some warm water, some food coloring, and some baking soda. How it works. Mixing baking soda with vinegar contains acetic acid, causes a rapid chemical reaction that produces lots of carbon dioxide gas, CO2. Tiny bubbles of this gas become trapped in the washing up liquid in your lava mixture. The main reason this happens because of with all of the baking soda and vinegar. That's why it erupts like a real volcano.